Alright, today I'm going to be unboxing the Bona Spray Mop. This right here is an alternative to the Swiffer Wet Jet Mopping Kit. I bought this right here because it comes with a refillable spray bottle, which is very useful, especially when I'm using this on a large area. Right here is a spray mop. We're just gonna look on it right here. This one right here, it's a streak-free formula, all-in-one solution to quickly clean dirt and grime. This particular solution is for stone, tile, laminate, and vinyl. All right, so if you look right here on the opening of the package, it's the mop right here, which I'm going to show you when I open it up. And this looks like the pad that goes on to it. And I wonder if I can throw this in the washing machine when it's done. We'll check out and see in a minute. Right here, it's spray, clean, refill. So you can refill the solution. And I'm also thinking that maybe I can use this on wood floors if I refill it with a solution that is made for wood floors. Right here, it has the quick clean. You can actually attach a quick clean to this, I believe. Or are they just talking about other products? I think it's just talking about other products. But let's go ahead and open this up. Gonna go ahead. So we're gonna assemble this. And right here it shows what to do, the instructions, but I'm gonna do it for you. Right there it shows you what's in there, the different parts, how to attach. All right, we're gonna go through it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Right here I have, this is the pad that attaches to it, right there. And here is the solution for hardwood floors, or not hardwood floors, for hard surface floors. This is not the solution for hardwood. All right, so just keep that in mind right there. And I'm going to pull out the pieces, and it looks fairly simple to connect. One thing to note that I don't believe this requires batteries. Now the Swiffer Wet Jet Mopping Kit actually requires batteries. So keep that in mind when you're getting this. So I'm gonna take a look at this. It says Bona right there. So I'm guessing this is the front because I'm looking at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach this. I'm gonna attach this part to it. Just gonna simply just push it down. It snaps into place securely. And then there is the handle section. You see the handle section right here. I'm gonna take this and I'm just going to put this down in like this. And there's slots that line up. I just pressed it down. And you see on the handle, it has a little squeezing button right here. This is to dispense the solution. I actually think I like this better than the Swiffer Wet Jet because it does not require batteries. And so now I'm gonna apply the pad to it. Now you see how I have the Bona facing towards that direction? This is the front, all right? So make sure you know that that's the front. And so now I'm going to reach over here and I'm gonna get the pad. I'm gonna look up underneath here. And on the bottom of this, there are some Velcro strips. So these Velcro strips is what's going to adhere to the pad. So I'm gonna take the pad and I'm just gonna evenly place this pad, didn't mean to do that, right on to this right here, the Velcro strips. And I'm just gonna go like this. And it sticks into place. It's really nice to have right there. Look at that, it stays right into place once I do that. All right, so if you don't have it even, you can take it off and then try it again. But it should stay on there like that. The last thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna take the bottle. This is the solution bottle, and I'm gonna place this inside. So what I'm gonna do right here for the solution bottle, there's a slot right here. And what I'm gonna take is the Bona side up, take the Bona cap, there's a cap on the solution, twist it counterclockwise, pull this off, and you will see that it's exposed with a rubber gasket right here. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it and you're gonna have the Bona side up, slide it in until it clicks. Watch this. Did you hear it click? A little solution got on me. Now it's fully assembled. Now let's take a look at it. Fully assembled right here. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So I have the Bona Spray Mop assembled, right? Have it assembled. Now I'm gonna put it into action. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this by using the nozzle right here. It's gonna spray down on here, spray a little solution, and I'm just gonna mop just like this to get the dirt and grime, and then spray a little bit more as needed. Now you don't want to overdo it when you are mopping because you don't want to get too much solution and waste it. I'm gonna pour this in here and just keep on going back and forth like this. Voila. And that's how you use the Bona Spray Mop. Now if you need to release it, you press this button right here and you pull out the Bona solution and replace it. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.